All right, if you're in marketing, you've probably heard a ton about AI, right? But what does it actually mean for your career, for your job? Well, forget all the hype. Today, we're going to give you a super practical guide to not just survive, but actually thrive in this new age of AI.
Okay, let's get one thing straight right off the bat. This is not about robots coming for your job. No way. It's about you getting a massive upgrade. Think of AI as your new super smart assistant. It'll handle all the boring, repetitive stuff, which frees you up to do what you do best. The big picture strategy and all the creative work.
And yeah, that upgrade, it comes with a serious paycheck. Get this. A recent report from PwC found that people with AI skills are already earning a 56% wage premium. I mean, that's huge. And this isn't some far-off prediction. This is happening right now. And the demand? It is absolutely exploding. LinkedIn data shows that jobs needing AI skills shot up by a staggering 70% in just 1 year. Companies are practically scrambling to find marketers who can speak this new language. So, how do you become one of them? Well, that's what we're here for. Here's our roadmap for today. We're going to talk about the big shift happening in marketing, the best AI roles for you, the skills you actually need, a 12-month plan to get you there, and 3 super simple steps you can literally start today. All right, let's dive in. Okay, first things first. To really get these new roles, you have to understand the new reality. AI is fundamentally changing what it even means to be a marketer. And this really sums it up perfectly. The old way? It was all about manually grinding out campaigns, doing all the grunt work. The new way is about being an architect. You're the one designing the AI systems that run the ads, that personalize content for thousands of people at once, that can even predict what customers are going to do next. So you're not just a doer anymore, you're a designer. So this big shift from doer to designer has opened up a bunch of brand new jobs. And you know what the best part is? They're all built on the skills you already have as a marketer. So let's break down 6 of the most exciting roles you could be aiming for, like right now. First up, we have the AI marketing strategist. This is the big picture thinker. You're not just running one campaign anymore. Nope, you're weaving AI into everything. All the marketing channels to hit those big business goals. All that strategic planning you do, that's what makes you perfect for this. And hey, look at that, 0 coding required. Next up, the AI content strategist. If you're a storyteller, listen up, because this one's for you. You'll use AI to pump out a ton of content, sure, but your real job, your most important job, is to be the guardian of the brand's voice. You're the one making sure every single piece of AI-generated content is top-notch, on-brand, and, ethical. Do you love building out customer journeys? Then the AI automation specialist role is probably a perfect fit. You'd be the one designing those super smart systems that handle things like lead scoring or those hyper-personalized email sequences. All that expertise you have on marketing funnels, yeah, it maps directly to this role. Okay, now for a really cool one, the prompt engineer for marketing. At its heart, this is a communications job. You're basically the expert who knows exactly what to say to an AI to get amazing ad copy or killer blog posts or brilliant campaign ideas. Seriously, think of it like advanced copywriting, but your audience is a machine. If you're all about that test and learn life, that growth hacking mindset, then this is definitely for you. As an AI-driven growth marketer, you get to use AI to basically supercharge your experiments. Imagine running hundreds of A/B tests at the same time, getting the data back instantly, and scaling the winners automatically. It's the growth hacking cycle on steroids, for real. And finally, let's talk about the conversational AI designer. You know those super frustrating chatbots that never seem to understand what you're saying? Well, your job is to fix that, to make them actually helpful and engaging. You'd use all your knowledge of customer psychology to design automated conversations that feel human and solve real problems. Wow, okay, that was a quick tour, so here's a little summary to let it all sink in. Just take a look at those mid-level salaries. Pretty impressive, right? And notice the big theme here. For almost all of these awesome, high-paying jobs, coding is either optional or just not required at all. Your marketing brain is what really matters here. All right, so you've seen the roles. Now you're probably wondering, what skills do I actually need to get one of these jobs? Well, here's the good news. This is all about building on what you already know. You don't have to go become a data scientist, I promise. It really just boils down to these 4 key areas. First, AI literacy. That's just knowing what AI is good at and what it's terrible at. Then, data and analytics, being able to look at all the data AI gives you and turn it into smart decisions. Automation and tools, that's about using simple, no-code platforms to connect everything. And the most important one, strategic thinking. Always remember, AI is the one executing the plan, but you are the one who sets the vision. Okay, so that's the what. Now let's talk about the how. Making a career change can feel like a huge deal. I get it. So we've broken it down into a really clear 12-month roadmap that you can totally follow, even if you're working a full-time job. So here's the game plan. For the first couple of months, you're just going to learn the fundamentals. Easy enough. Then you'll get hands-on with 4 or 5 key tools. Now listen closely to this next part, because it's the most important. You have to build real portfolio projects. That is what will get you hired. After that, you specialize and start applying for jobs. Look, it's a marathon, not a sprint, but it is 100% doable. A one-year plan is great and all, but momentum starts today, right now. So what can you do the second this is over? I've got 3 simple but really powerful steps to get you started. Think of this as your launch pad. Seriously, don't try to learn 10 tools at once. Just pick one. Then use that one tool to build one small but real project. Maybe it's an AI-powered ad campaign or an automated content series, whatever. And here's the secret sauce, the most critical part. Document your results. Write up a little case study that shows the problem you solved, how you did it, and what happened. That's your proof. That's what you show to employers. So let's just end where we started. AI isn't replacing marketers, it's upgrading them. If you start now, you can be part of the next generation of high-paid, AI-native marketers. The opportunity is right here, right in front of you. Go grab it. And hey, if you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel for more practical AI career guides.